With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, the question is figure shows a bar magnet placed on the tabletop with its north pole pointing towards south. The arrow shows the north-south direction. There are no other magnet or magnetic material nearby. Insert two magnetic field lines on either side of the magnet using arrowhead to show the direction of each field line. First of all, we have to draw the magnetic field line. So the magnet produce around it a magnetic field in which an iron particle or particles experience a force that is called the magnetic force. So if we draw a magnet here according to this, and here north pole and this is south pole, so this magnet produce around it a magnetic field, and these magnetic fields are shown by magnetic field lines. So the magnetic field line start from north pole and terminate at south pole. So this is the magnetic field line, north to south, north to south, and it is also from north to south and north to south. So if we draw a tangent on this magnetic field line, this will give the direction of a magnetic field. Magnetic field lines never intersect each other, because if they intersect on each other, then at that point two direction of magnetic field, which is not possible. So the magnetic field lines never intersect each other. An outside magnet start from north to south, and inside it is from south to north. So the direction of magnetic moment is from south pole to north pole. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.